The treat mask from Caitec is a combination chew toy and treat dispenser that you and your dog are going to love. The innovative design makes the treat mask a unique chewing and treat finding experience. Just put a few treats inside the treat holder and discover why it's called the treat mask. Dogs need to exercise their jaw, and chew toys help clean their teeth and gums. Chew toys help to prevent boredom, reduce stress, and satisfy your dog's chewing urges. Plus, it floats! The treat mask from Caitec. Innovations in pet care for a better way of life.